Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java web application project which is entitled as exam seating arrangement system. Before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. It may be a school, college, or it may be a competitive exam, whatever the place of educational institution. Conducting the examinations is a critical administrative function because it requires lots of planning and organization. So one of the most challenging aspect of examination management is the seating arrangement because it involves lot of student details and also available examination halls and various constraints are available. So in the existing or traditional system, it is completely a manual process or it is a semi-automated process because the process of making the seating arrangements is not completely an automated one. So what is the need for this automated exam seating arrangement system is because of the increasing size of the students who take the examination. So when we are going to use only the existing system or traditional system, it becomes lots of problem. So it becomes some conflict in the seat allocation or lots of administrative confusions kinds of things. And also the existing or traditional system, it lags in the centralized system, making it difficult to maintain the historical records and generating the reports kinds of things. So developing an automated system can drastically reduce the administrative works and also minimize the errors, and finally we can make a fair and random seat allocation for the examination. So considering these issues, we have developed the exam seating arrangement system, which is developed using Java as the core programming language, and JSPs is some JavaScript for the front-end interface and MySQL for the database. So here we have developed the system by bringing together different operation requirements into one centralized platform, which will be helping the administrator to plan the examination smoothly, and also the invigilator will receive the clear seating instructions. So here in our system we'll be having two major entities, one is admin and the invigilator. So overall this exam seating arrangement system will provide a streamlined, transparent and user-friendly solution so that it will reduce the existing manual efforts, improves efficiency and promotes organized conduct of examination within the academic institution. So these are all the details that is mentioned in the abstract part of the project. Coming to the existing system, so the main problem of this existing system is the process of planning and managing examination system. Everything is carried out manually only. So institutions typically rely on the printed students list and also or handwritten registers or spreadsheets kinds of things, so that they can know how many students are available, and also they wanted how many rooms are available for the examination. So based on the room size and how many students available and the departments available, they manually plan it and they prepare a exam seating arrangement system. So everything whichever is available in the existing is a manual or semi-automated process only. So the communication between the administrator and the invigilator is also carried out manually only. So they will be providing the printed timetable sheets or directly or verbally instructions they will be provided to the invigilator. So if there is any change in on the examination schedule or modification, room availability or all those things, also again they wanted to communicate them, and accordingly the given records should be modified and the physical filters or folders will be used for the seating arrangement. So overall this existing system follow traditional or paper-based approach or semi-automated process where all seating arrangements or student management, exam scheduling, the invigilator coordination, everything is handled manual documentation only. So these all details are being mentioned in the existing system part of the project. Coming to the disadvantages of the existing system, the main disadvantages of the existing system are time consuming process, higher chances of human error, difficulty in managing large data, lack of real-time updates, limited transparency and tracking, inefficient coordination with invigilators, storage and maintenance issue. These are the main disadvantages of the existing system, where each subheading explained detailedly about it. Next, coming to the proposed system, to overcome all these issues that is mentioned in the existing system, we have proposed a centralized system, which is a web-based one, that is exam seating arrangement system, which is developed using Java, JSP, CSS JavaScript and MySQL. So here in the proposed system, there are two main entities. One is admin and the invigilator. So admin is the main entity who is responsible for overall system operation. So admin has the rights for creating the students and creating the rooms, creating the examination and allocating the invigilators to the particular examination. Here the system seating planning is given automatically by the system based on the admin given inputs. And invigilator part, in the invigilator part, they can able to see the list of exams that is allocated by the admin, and also they can see the seating arrangement plan. So they also give an option to download the seating arrangement plan in PDF format also. So overall, this proposed system provides a structured, centralized and systematic approach to generating and manage the exam seating arrangement system. So these all details have been mentioned in the proposed system of the project. Coming to the advantages of the proposed system, the main advantages of our proposed system are efficient management of examination activities, reduction of manual errors, time and effort saving, increased data accuracy and consistency, easy access to seating plans and reports, better coordination with invigilators, enhanced security and control access, visual insights through chart analysis, organized record maintenance and quick retrieval. These are the main advantages of our proposed system. So he's already explained detail about it. Next, coming to the system architecture, this is the overall system architecture of the project. So where the two entities, admin and invigilators, play the main role. So administrator will be having the rights to create students and manage the students by editing or deleting the information that is added, and also the admin can able to create the invigilators, and they will also have the rights to create the exams and rooms, and they can make the seating arrangements, and they can view the seating arrangement that is made, and also they can able to download that in a PDF format, and they can have the graph analysis of the system. Coming to the invigilator part, so invigilator can view the exams that is assigned to the particular invigilator. So all the invigilator cannot view all other examination. They can only view the exams that is allocated to them, and they can see the seating planning, and also they can download that in a PDF format. They can able to see the profile information and can also change the password. So all this information is being stored in a centralized MySQL database. So this is the overall system architecture of the project. So these are the modules of the project, and these are the module description of the project, explain detail about the each module and the description of it. Next, coming to the system requirement, these are the minimum hardware requirements for the project, and the software requirements. This project can be executed in Windows 10 or 11. Coding language used is Java. Front-end content JSP, CSS JavaScript. JDK version is JDK 23.0.1. IDE tool is Apache NetBeans IDE 24. Tomcat server version is Apache Tomcat 9.0.84. Database is MySQL. So now let us see the execution of the project. So first open your Apache NetBeans IDE 24, go to the file menu and click open project to import the project into the NetBeans IDE. So just go to the project source code folder. Inside the source code folder we have this exam seating. Just select this and click open project. Now kindly wait till the complete project is loaded into the NetBeans IDE. Here you can see the progress of it. Meanwhile, let us attach the database. So just go to the MySQL Workbench 8.0. Login by clicking the local instance MySQL 80. Enter the password as root and click OK. Now go to the server menu, select data import option. Now select import from self-contained file. Select this 3-dot option. Now go to the project source code folder. Inside the database folder we have the database. Select it. Now select this import progress tab and click the start import button. So now you can see the import completed. So just refresh the schemas part, you can see the exam seating. So we have successfully attached the database in the MySQL workbench, so we can close this MySQL workbench. Coming back to the NetBeans ID, the project is also loaded into the NetBeans ID. So now let us execute it. So just right click it and then select run and kindly wait for a few minutes. Now it asks for the authentication for the Tomcat server. I have given admin and click OK. So now it navigates to the browser part where you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title exam seating arrangement system and features of it. So now you can see the two entities, admin and Invigilator. So first let us go to the admin. So just select the admin login. So it will be navigated to the admin login page. So enter the default username and password for the admin as admin and click the login button. So now you can see the login successful, welcome admin message and click OK. So now you can see the home screen for the admin, showing the various details of the admin can do, like manage exam, assign invigilators, generate seating, student overview, reports and analytics, secure and efficient kinds of features. So here you can see various menus like students, exams, rooms, invigilators, generate seating, view seating, reports, logout. So let us see all those options one by one. First let us go to the students part. So just select the student menu. It will be navigated to the student management part where the admin can able to manage the student information. So first let us add the student. So just select this add student button. So now you can see the add new student option where you can first enroll the roll number of the student. So let me enter the roll number of the student, for example as CS001. You can enter whatever the roll number you wanted. I am just showing you the sample cases only. So let me enter the hall ticket as HLCS001, full name Ajit, department as computer science, year as 1. And now after entering the details, I'll just click add student. So now the student is added successfully. So now you can see the student detail that we have added here. So it shows with the ID, roll number, hall ticket number, name, department name, year, kinds of things. So here the admin can also have the option of editing or deleting the information that is added. So if some information to be modified, you can just click the edit and you can just modify whatever the information you wanted. For example, I'll just add as Ajit Kumar the name and let me click update. So now the student details is updated as Ajit Kumar now. So in this way the student management can be done. So I will quickly add some other students also. So now I have added the various student information. To make the video shorter, I have not shown you. You can add any number of information that is not limited to any numbers. So here I have added 2 from the computer science department and 10 for the information technology department. So in this way you can able to add it. So now let us move to the next one, that is the exams part. So just select the exams menu. So it will be navigated to the exam management part where the admin can able to add examination, edit it or delete the information. So first let us go to the add examination part. So just select the add examination. So here you can see the exam name. So first you need to add the examination name. So now let me add the exam name as Python programming, and you can add the subject code PY01, department. So you can select which department this exam, for example some examination will be common to the all the departments also. You can select, in this case you can select multiple departments also. So I'll just select, for example I'll just select only for the information technology, and you can select the year and you can enter the date of the examination and you can enter the start time. I'm just entering 10 AM and you can enter the end time and duration in minutes. So it is a 60 minutes examination. So after adding it, you can just select add exam. So now you can see the exam is added successfully. Now after adding the examination, you can see the list of examination that has been added. If you wanted to edit it, you can just give edit and you can just change the information that is already added. For example, if I wanted to change the subject code, I'm just changing the subject code into PY001 and let me click update exam. So exam is updated successfully with the subject code of PY001. So in this way you can able to manage the examination by adding the examination, editing it or deleting it. So let me add some other examination. Let me add the Java programming and let me add the subject code as JP001 and let me select the department as computer science, year as 1, date of examination as 08 2025, start time, end time, duration of it, and let me click add exam. So this way you can able to add multiple exams whatever you wanted according to the departments and subject you can do it. So now let me go to the next part, that is rooms part. So you can able to add, edit or delete the room information. First let us go to add room. So let me add the room code. So you can add any room code. For examination I'm just giving GF01 and what is the name of the room. For example, you will be having the classes or you will be having some lab or it will be an examination room or hall, whatever the thing you can able to name the room for it. So now let me name it as ground hall and capacity. You can add the capacity, whatever the capacity you can able to add. Let me add capacity as 10 and what are how much rows, how many columns, and you can just enter the location because some colleges or institution there will be many different buildings, so there will be many ground hall, so they cannot know which ground hall which floor it is like that. So in that case you can just add the location like admin block ground floor, like that. You can add whatever information that is depend according to your college, institution or the place that is considered. For my case I'm just giving for this as an example, I'm just giving add room. So now you can see the room is added successfully. In case, so if you wanted to edit some information you can just click edit, and for example I'll just change GF into GF01 into 001 and let me click update room. So now you can see the room is updated successfully with the room code of it. So in this way you can add multiple rooms according to the rooms that is available in the educational institute or the place where the examination is conducted. So I'll just give first floor with 001, name of the room CS lab, capacity with 10. So you can add any number of capacity. I'll show you with the capacity of 50 also. I'll just add rows as 10 rows, columns as 5, location computer science department. So you can enter whatever the information and click add room. So I have added 2 rooms for the scenario. So now let us go to the next part, that is the invigilator. So you can create the invigilators here. Admin has the rights to create the invigilator. So you cannot create, you don't have any invigilator registration form, so admin can able to create the invigilator. So invigilator will be logged in with their email ID and the default password as exam, and they can change the password using their profile information. So I'll just add the profile employee ID. For example, you can add any employee ID whatever you wanted. So I'll just give name as Jayaprakash, email ID, phone number, department, and add invigilator. So invigilator is added. In this way you can add multiple invigilators. Invigilator. So I have added 2 Invigilators. You can add multiple according to your situations. And let us go to the next one, that is generate seating part. So in the generate seating part, it will be generating the seating arrangement based on the inputs that we are going to give. So admin will be first selecting what exam it is. For example, if it is a Python programming, they'll be selecting the Python. It will be showing the list of examination and what is the date that is allocated for the examination. So here you can see I have fixed the date as 8 November 2025. So it is showing. So according to the dates that we have given, it will be showing the examination that we have added, and you can select for which department it is happening. So it is for the information technology department, and how many years, which year this is for. This is for first year, and you can select the rooms for which you wanted to generate it. So first I will just go with the computer science lab. I'll just select ground floor hall, and now I'll just select generate seating. So now you can see seating generated successfully for this examination. So once the seating is generated successfully, you can just go to view seating menu, just select view seating. So here it will be asking for which examination you wanted to view the seating arrangement. We have selected for Python programming and for the room for ground hall. So let us select view seating. So now you can see we have already given 10 rows. So it is showing the 10 rows, and also there is only single column. So accordingly the seating arrangement is being fixed. So now you can see every seat number 1, you can see roll number 1 for the IT department, what is the all ticket, name of the student, what is the department information technology year. So this is for first seat. Second seat, it is for the student name Kumar. For the third seat, you can see it is for Abdul. Fourth seat, it is for Hasini. It is for fifth seat, it is for Bhavani. For sixth seat, it is for Kanaga. For seventh seat, it is for Naga. It is for eighth seat, it is for Rubini. Ninth seat, it is for Charles. For 10th seat, it is for Naresh. So you can see there are 10 students I have given for the information technology. So here you can see the students did. So I have given 10 students for the information technology, and the seatings that we have given is for ground floor is capacity of 10. So there are 10 rows and 1 column. So automatically it is generated the seatings. You can just view the seatings here. So you can see the seatings have been viewed here. So here the admin will be assigning the invigilator, so they can select the invigilator for this room. So there you can see the list of invigilator. I have added 2 invigilators, Jayaprakash and Lakshmi. For this case I'll just select Jayaprakash and let me click assign invigilator. So now you can see invigilator is assigned successfully. So once Jayaprakash logs in, they can able to see only the exams that is allocated to them. If Lakshmi logs in, they can see only the exam that is allocated to them. So now let us see here invigilator assigned is Jayaprakash for this examination, and you can also admin can also download this seatings in a PDF format for future reference. So you can see seating Python programming GF001, it is saved or named automatically, and it is exported in the PDF format. Now you can see the seating arrangement for the Python programming. So you can see the seat number, roll number, hall ticket number, student, everything is being generated automatically. There is no any manual process. They can easily use it for the soft copy, or if they wanted they can also able to print it in a hard copy format. So now let us generate the seating for another examination, Java programming. I'll select for computer science. I have given only 2 students in it. So let us see how happens. So now let us go for computer science lab and select generate seating. So now seating is generated successfully for this exam. If you go to view examination, Java programming and computer science lab, and if you go to view seatings, so now you can see there are 50 capacity for this room. They have given 10 rows and 5 columns. So you can see all these are empty because there was only 2 students I have entered. So if you are entering 50 students, it will be allocating all the 50 students accordingly. So Here you can see the seating of the first student Ajit Kumar and second student with the name of Vijay is been added, whichever I have added for the computer science. So accordingly, if you are added 50 students, it will be giving the seating for the 50 students. I have added only two students, so it is showing the allotment according to the availability of the students on the seat. So now here I will allocate for Lakshmi Invigilator and click assign Invigilator. So now Invigilator is assigned successfully. So Lakshmi is the Invigilator. So they can able to download the seating on the PDF format also for the future reference. So I'll just downloading it, and you can see the seating arrangement for this examination. So now in the reports format, you can see the admin with the 3 dynamic charts showing the seats assigned per room. So you can see 10 seats as a full seats are arranged for the ground floor and 2 seats are arranged for the first floor room. And you can see students arranged per exam. You can see Python programming 10 students are arranged, Java programming 2 students are arranged, Invigilator per exam. So Invigilator 1 Jayaprakash has been assigned 1, and for Java programming assigned 1. So you can see a dynamic chart. This varies according to the inputs that we are going to give. So now let me log out. I'll go to the Invigilator login. So in the Invigilator login, they should be login with their email ID. I have given jp@gmail.com. The default password is exam for the Invigilator, and let us click login. So now login is successful. So as we are giving the default password, so for the first time Invigilator should change the password for the security purpose. They just go to the profile information. They can see their profile information, name, email ID, phone number, department, and click change password. So in the new password, they can enter the new password and click update password. So now you can see the password is updated successfully. So let me log out. I'll go to the Invigilator login. If I'm going to give the old password, that is the default one, exam means, now you can see it is shows invalid email or password because the Invigilator has changed the password for the first time for the security purpose. So now you can see it is logged in successfully, and you can see the welcome screen of the Invigilator dashboard showing their features like view exams, check roll, seating arrangement, project role, security kinds of things. So now let us go to my exam. So just select my exam. So here Invigilator can view only their exams because they cannot view other Invigilator exam. Here Jayaprakash has been assigned with the Python programming examination, so they can only, this Invigilator can see only the exam that is allocated to them. So if I log in with the another Invigilator, Lakshmi user Invigilator login, so now you can see they can only, here the Invigilator Lakshmi can see only the Java programming because this is only allocated to them. They cannot see other examination. This is for the security purposes. So here first I will come back to the Invigilator 1 Jayaprakash and let me log in. So if you go to the my exams, you can see that the Invigilator can see the exams on the room. So just select the Python programming. They can see the seating arrangement. Exam is Python programming, room is GF001 ground hall. They can see the seating arrangement. So as similarly like what we did for the admin, you can also able to download this for the Invigilator part. They can also able to download this, so they can easily come to know about if there is some changes in it. So in the Invigilator part, we have this my exam part. They can select the exam which is allocated to them, and they can see the seating arrangement. They can able to download that PDF format. In the profile part, they can able to see the profile information, and they can able to change the password for their profile. So now I'll just go to the another Invigilator, and now let me go to the my exams. You can see therefore this is for the Java programming seating arrangement. So similarly they can able to download this for the future references, and they can able to check it out. So you can see the seating arrangement for this examination, and they can able to see the student details, ID card details, name, and everything is being updated. So now we have seen all the details of the Invigilator. In admin part, we have seen the options of students where they can able to add the students, edit it, delete the student information. They can able to add the examination, edit or delete the examination. They can able to add the rooms, edit it or delete the rooms. They can able to add the Invigilator, edit it or delete the information. They can able to generate the seatings. They can able to view the seatings and auto generate it, and they can able to see the reports in the graph format. And let me log out. So before completion, let us see the frequently asked questions for this project. So the first question is, what is the exam seating arrangement system is about. So this exam seating arrangement system project is about a web-based application that automates the process of assigning the students to the seats in the examination hall. So according to the inputs that is given, so the exam seating arrangement will be made based on the exam room capacity and all the details. Next question, which technologies are used in developing this system? So we have used Java for the backend, JSP CSS JavaScript for frontend. For the database we have used MySQL, and for server we have used Apache Tomcat. Next question, who are the main users of this system? So the primary users or entities of the system are admin and the invigilator. Next question, what tasks can the admin perform in the system? So the admin can able to manage the tasks like adding, editing or deleting the student records, similarly for the exams, similarly for the room, similarly for the invigilator, and then they can generate the seating arrangement based on the examination, the department selected, and they can able to view the seating arrangement. They can also able to download in a PDF format, and finally they can have the chart analysis showing the overall performance of the system. Next question, what task can the invigilator perform? So invigilator can log into the system, they can able to change the password, they can see the profile information, they can select the examinations that is allocated to them, and they can able to see the seating arrangements, and they can also able to download the PDF format. Next question, how does the system generate the seating arrangement? So here the system admin first selects the exam, departments, year and room. The system retrieves the students belonging to the selected criteria and assign them seats sequentially based on the room capacity and the seating availability. The seating layout is stored and displayed room wise also. Next question, can the seating arrangement be modified after generation? Yes, the admin can regenerate the seating arrangement by selecting different rooms or departments. So that is according to the admin wish. Next question, does the system help reduce errors in seat allocation? Yes, all seat allocations are generated automatically using the stored data, so it significantly reduces the human errors. For example, some may miss some student information, some may leave the student information, some may add the same student information. So that kind of human errors will be eradicated in this system. Next question, can seating arrangement be printed or downloaded? Yes, we provide that, exporting the results in a PDF format, so that can be printed or downloaded for the soft copy for future reference. Next question, is the system secure? Yes, the system has a role-based login, so that only the authorized users can perform the critical operation, and also invigilators can only view their assigned examination. Other invigilators cannot view other examination. They can only view their exams that is allocated by the admin. Next question, how does the system help invigilators during examinations? So invigilators can quickly see the seating layout of the rooms, and also they can click the slots according to the rows or the column. They can see the student ID card information, name, examination kinds of things, so that it will help the invigilators during the examination. Next question, can the system handle multiple departments and years of the student? Yes, the system is designed to support multiple departments and years, so the admin can generate seating arrangement for any group of students based on the selected examination. Final question, what are the main benefits of this system? So the major benefits of the system are reduced manual workload, improved accuracy, faster seating arrangement, easy data management, better invigilator coordination, organized exam execution. These are all the frequently asked question for this project. This is all about the project exam seating arrangement system using Java, and thank you for watching.